Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying where the router's signal fades and choose an outlet roughly halfway. This gives the extender a usable uplink. Power the extender and connect to its temporary setup SSID with your phone or laptop, then log in with the default credentials. Once done, select your router's SSID and enter the password so the extender can authenticate. Make sure to pick the same frequency band or the band you want extended to avoid automatic drops later. Now you configure how the extender bridges traffic. Pick 4 GHz for penetration or 5 GHz for throughput, and enable both if the device supports dual-band repeating. Once connected to the router, the extender creates a wireless link called a backhaul. Traffic hops from client to extender to router. Configure SSID naming. Either mirror the router to allow seamless roaming or use a distinct name if you need manual control. Then update firmware and change admin credentials to prevent unauthorized access. Finish by testing real-world speed where coverage was poor. If you see less than half the router's throughput, move the extender closer to the router in small steps. Make sure the chosen wireless channel isn't congested. Scan nearby networks and change channel to reduce interference. If clients jump between SSIDs, consider matching security and band settings. If things go wrong, reboot both units, and if problems persist, factory reset the extender and repeat the setup while watching signal indicators to confirm a solid backhaul link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.